To do a quick DIY, do it yourself, on how I'm going to make these three little commemorative coins that I brought back into refrigerator magnets. And I have these refrigerator magnets that are like super strong that I got online, and then I bought some Loctite super glue, and we're just going to glue one of these little teeny weeny magnets onto the back of each of these, and you'll see what I mean. Watch how quick these they're like super, yeah. So I guess I don't even need to glue them, but so that I don't accidentally pull the coins off and lose them when they're on the refrigerator, I'm just gonna glue them on, and that way they're secured. So pretty easy. That's my plan. We'll just glue them in the middle and they will be little fridge magnets. So I'm going to attempt to get started here. I absolutely apologize on the lighting. I just don't even know how to do this without making shadows. I have like the worst lighting ever. I'm going to turn on. No, you guys, that'll help with the lighting. There's still going to be some shadows. So the first thing you need to do is obviously open the glue. It says to puncture, turn, cap until clicking sound, and I'm doing that all the way. I just punctured it, so I am going to decide which side these. I'm going to put a glob of glue on that one, and this is going to be really fun. So just see if I can do this, because it is a magnet. It's probably going to be difficult. That like that. Bump it over the glue. Oh my gosh. So strong. That's probably, it doesn't really need to be centered. All it has to be is sort of in the middle of the piece. So that will probably take 30 seconds. And what I think I'm going to do on this next one is put the glue dab on the actual magnet, and then take the magnet, I take the coin and drop it on the magnet. Bingo! So one more. I'm going to get my magnet. Oh, that's brilliant. Look at how magnetic these little things are. They're amazing. I'm going to put a little bead of glue gel on here, get it all around. Again, it is a magnet. It's attracted to the metal in these little coins, but the idea is that I can use them as little refrigerator magnets. Bingo! Try to move that around to the center if I can before it sets up. Even if it does, I don't really mind. Yeah, look at that. That's set up that fast. That sucker is on there. So here we go, you guys. I have coins, decorative, fun little commemorative coins from Europe that I have turned into keepsake refrigerator magnets. So I hope you guys got a great idea from doing this. If you go somewhere, you can always buy those cute little decorative little keepsake coins. They're, you know, they're kind of fun. They're a great memory of your trip, and they don't take up a lot of room, and it's pretty easy to turn these into, oh my gosh, found my magnets, turn these into a little little something for your refrigerator. Oh my gosh, these are so strong. Look at that. These are those earth magnets. They're like really strong. But yeah, these are going to be fun to just have on my refrigerator. So thanks for tuning in, you guys. Hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and I will see you on the next video.